Welcome to W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions. Today we are excited to present our newly completed 1000 BPH compact poultry processing line, ready for shipment. Fully installed and pre-tested before delivery, just unload, connect and start production. A true plug-and-play solution for poultry processing. Designed for poultry farms and small to medium slaughterhouses below 1000 birds per hour. This model is one of our compact series. We provide 200500 BPH and 1000 BPH options to match your needs. It follows the workflow in sequence: live birds hanging, stunning, or halal manual slaughter, bleeding, scalding, plucking, head pulling, evisceration, feet cutting. All equipment structured clearly for smooth and continuous processing. For halal slaughter, the stunning module can be removed and manual operation can be applied. This compact line only requires 140 HQ plus 120 GP containers. With optional spin chiller, total space is 240 HQ containers. Main equipment includes automatic stunner, bleeding line, blood tank, scalding machine, plucker, head puller, feet cutter, and optional spin chiller. All built with 300 for stainless steel for hygiene, durability, and long service life. Highlights include waterproof bearing shields, oil-filled lubrication, and reinforced aluminum key components instead of iron. Ideal for poultry farms, slaughterhouses, broiler plants, meat processors, food factories, and equipment distributors worldwide. For project inquiries or layout design, contact us today. W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.